What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know, it's your boy Tank. If you're new around here, make sure you're hitting that like button, that subscribe button. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out on none of these lit videos. But yeah, we about to get lit. Today we're gonna hit up the gun show. We made it to 100 subscribers in a few days on the channel, and I appreciate every last one of y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all my appreciation. For 100 subscribers, I'm giving away $100.
Oh, say less.
That's not much, but that's something. That's better than nothing for a page with 100 subscribers. I mean, giving away $100. So drop y'all cash apps in the comments below. We about to hit up the gun show today. So if y'all want to see something, if it's something that y'all seen, because of course y'all gonna be seeing this late. If it's something that y'all seen that I should have copped, something that y'all like, y'all want to see in the comments, drop them down below. Let me know what y'all like. Let me know how the gun show went. I'm gonna try to give y'all some dope footage of some nice guns. Hopefully we find some nice guns. I wanted Desert Eagle, but shout out that boy Life for OB on YouTube. That boy actually gave me the link. That's 100. That's fire. Like, I found me a Desert Eagle. I've been wanting a Desert Eagle to add to the collection. We finally got us a Desert Eagle, so we're gonna see what else we could cop. We definitely copping some bullets. Price is supposed to be dropping, so we're gonna see how that's looking, and we just gonna go from there. I'm gonna bring y'all some dope footage. Make sure y'all, like I said, make sure y'all hitting that subscribe button, that like button, smashing that notification bell, all that, so y'all don't miss out on none of the videos, because we getting lit around here, you hear me? And that's how we bringing it. We about to bring out some fire content. Got my boy T riding with me today, so if he need to grab a camera, I'm gonna give him the camera, so let y'all see how I look holding some ARs. Hopefully they got some AKs. I don't remember the last gun show, which I didn't film. I don't know if they had AKs. For some reason I be feeling like we don't have AKs out here, but I don't know. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. We're gonna see. We're gonna make sure we try to hit every single table at this gun show, so y'all can see what actually the city be bringing. So yeah, we gonna see. We about to see what type of heat the city be bringing. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all up. I'm gonna see y'all in the gun show. Man, I ain't even make it inside yet, but from the looks of it, this bit look packed as f***. Like, we on the second day, and we're a little late, but we shall see once we make it inside.
Got a big
Hey, with my hand. It's something like it. That ain't exactly it. They got special. They got two for one.
Yeah, the double.
Oh, they used. It's this kind of heavy. See, that's what I got.
You got it?
Oh yeah,
What I got from the last time.
No. That's the one you put the floodlight on.
Yeah.
I already got a sight on it.
Hey, the price is definitely going down though. They definitely going down. I mean, are they going down because it's day 2 though?
Yeah, could be that.
Right, they ain't selling enough. Oh, I like this. It's a bit kind of big though. $7.19.
You heavy?
Kinda.
Oh yeah.
Sadly. And this is going to be a rough one, Tom Dirt.
You got it. This one like you got. This got a nice look.
I like my shit.
But it's going to be well worth it.
I told all them, I said, if y'all come to my graduation, I need shirts with my face on it. So everybody in the crowd got my face on it. Like the loud little hoopty things and everything.
My daughter's graduation couldn't do anything.
Really?
Nah.
I'm like praying that everything's open by then.
Oh no, everything was open when she graduated. It was
That's
just
what Orion got.
trying to get through it. There were 2 graduates.
She don't like this good though.
You don't like it?
Well, they have ours, so
We
I go
just
to
got that.
Xavier. They have
I
ours
like,
with a regular
I like, bro,
graduation,
you so hard.
He's an anime, right?
You so hard. I need to.
Different feel kids that graduated at the same time, which was fashion, architect.
Oh, these
And
nice.
you name it. So they were trying to do it. They had
These dope.
morning graduation, get that evening graduation, trying to get all these kids through. It's like,
The total is 1569.
Y'all got any questions about anything?
I was just looking.
Gotcha.
That'd be 22. Definitely 22.
You got any questions about anything, son? Gotcha.
Hey, this is not considered a shotgun.
What that is?
They call it a firearms. It's called a shockwave, but it's considered a firearm. They don't call it a shotgun.
Man.
Why? I
It
don't
look
know.
like it could be called a shotgun.
That's what I can say. Y'all can see that. Prices are dropping. This one $4.99.
$3.99.
Camera kind of messing up, but there we go.
$3.99.
All right, prices are coming down. I like this one too. $4.50. I like that.
That look new. That's like it's used.
Might be. They don't have nothing on it, but it might be loose.
Well, it could be
Well,
used.
yeah, might. Still think that'd be nice. This one really nice.
What is that?
That's a shotgun. $8.99, not bad. Look like it's packed, but it's really not that packed. This is a T, little Draco.
How y'all doing today?
All right.
Oh,
Y'all looking for anything specific?
Nah, we just looking. I like y'all table. I always buy from y'all table. Y'all always had the best prices.
We try. We do.
Y'all always had the best prices.
Hello.
Most likely, I'm probably gonna come back and try to buy something.
Here we go.
Look at this bit here. Shit, I bet shoot what, 308 probably?
Is there a reason what?
Yep, 338.
like a sniper rifle there.
Yeah. Good shot of it.
Still more business.
They've been nice. I never knew they shot 10 there though. Hey, the prices are coming down. See this?
What that is?
I don't even know.
What size that is?
This is. That's what you need, T. That's 38 special.
That's the real ones too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I need. You right.
Wait, this 22? This 22? This is. Oh no, that's 380. This is old half. Well, this is old need. That would look like 22. That bit small.
You 25 here.
They got 10 mil. You see 10 mil somewhere? They got a lot of bullets. I got 10 mil?
Nah, man, we just sold out.
Damn.
Yeah. We just sold out.
Damn. No 10 mil. Alright. Yeah, that's dope. You like this? You like this too?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's a dope.
I thought we got a double clip on it. Well, that's what you can have.
Yeah, you hold up.
Hold on there.
That's fire.
Yeah, that's a wall mount. 3D printed.
Uh-huh.
Set your gun where the mag goes, and it holds two
Right.
mags.
Okay. Yeah, that's fire. Still giving away PS5 and nobody won. Still the same PS5, nobody won last time. Look at this. It's a taser. How it work? Wouldn't need batteries or something. Really a taser. All this shit tasers. Got a walking stick with a taser on it. I just get that mud just to walk and tase with. He'll be like, what is that? It's not as big as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, I do need a knife though. I do need a knife. I do need a little carry knife. I have one, but I want another one. We're gonna keep looking. We just got here. I like this one though. Look at this one.
These switchblades?
focus. I like that. This. Woo. That. Fire. Oh, this fire too. They got a nice little table. What's you want for this? 21. Y'all see that?
How y'all doing today?
All right.
Y'all looking for something particular today, man?
Nah, I was just looking.
Just looking?
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah,
Don't let it fool you. It's not a suppressor. It's just an extension of the barrel.
oh, for real?
Yeah. When you're aiming that way, it allows you to shoot that way instead of your person right next to you.
Gotcha.
It's pretty much the modernized version of the Mac 11.
Gotcha.
So it's a semi, and it also takes Glock mags.
Okay.
So that means if you ever find that 9mm Glock drum round mag,
Put it on
it's
now.
right here.
All right.
I grew up with the real Mac 11 with full auto.
Oh, yeah.
My dad had about 3 of them.
Golly.
And he still has them too. And
For real?
yeah, I used to grow up. He grew up shooting the full auto ones in the Uzi. We grew up shooting the Uzi, SKSs,
God
the
damn.
Sten, the British Stens.
You grew up good.
I grew up with all the full auto stuff.
Right.
All the fun stuff.
Right. More 9mm.
You still go out both ways.
Uh-huh. Started shooting at the age of fucking 3. But our parents didn't even want guns in the house. Oh, here go AK. They definitely had AKs in stock with the wood on it. The furniture, I should say, with the furniture on it, not the wood. They got another AK. Them are nice. They be at every gun show I done been to. I done seen them. Gotta make sure I'm really recording. Gotta make sure I'm really recording. I ain't missing nothing. They be having some good guns. It look like their price is going down too. They be at the gun show, but they prices usually be, them motherfuckers skyrocketed too. Oh yeah, you know. Oh, look at this. They want 800 for this.
Looking pretty.
What is this? It was 11 yesterday. I'm sure this was the price yesterday.
$7.99. So that might be just for the.
Right, that's just for that. Must be
just for
the
that.
gun. So okay, yeah. So everything different. They're not selling it as
They're
one.
not selling it as one.
Yeah, that's kind of messed up. Sell it as one. You hear me?
This piece and this piece, you got 2 different pieces.
right.
No,
Everything
it's a
different.
sight. Yeah, that's
Must
good.
be $7.99. The gun 11. But they're selling, slinging everything for the same price. So it's nice. I don't know why my camera look like it's in a different color for some reason. It's not showing green too good. I definitely want a little AR pistol. This is a little heavy though for an AR pistol.
This is an AR pistol.
Yeah, when they got a brace on it, it's considered a pistol. Anything with a brace, pistol mode. Think a boy here that was trying to give us that fire deal last time?
You walk right down there.
He was. They get that right there. Oh, another AK. Oh, they finally got AKs at the gun show. Hell, they didn't drop. 12
Everybody
gauge.
picking you.
Right. Like, what's going on? Hold up. Look at that. Furniture on this
The light
motherfucker.
is here.
It is? Oh, definitely. It just got a finish on it. That's all. It ain't nothing but a little MSP. Smith & Wesson.
Do not handle without permission.
Yeah, I don't understand how you come to a gun show. You don't want nobody to handle your gun. But I guess it is what it is.
None of this stuff ain't new.
Something they done shot already. Putting it up for sale. Like, hey, we gonna sell it. Oh, look at that, T. Tommy gun. Oh, 2600 for that bit.
That's a,
Yeah, I like to add that bit to the collection. I ain't gonna lie, that's just history there.
over there.
Look at this, T. It's different.
Yeah, that's different. You put it together. And down.
That's different.
This more like mine. Ooh, that big old sucker there, boy.
Is this the Raging Bull? Which one is this? Yep, this the Raging Bull. I got the Raging Hunter. Mine, I got the other version of it.
You can't have that in here.
Oh, you can't record?
Nope.
Price drop. Hey, we gotta change cameras. They told us we couldn't record, but fuck it. You on lookout, T?
Yeah, I'm on.
We got T on lookout. We still record. Yeah, they gave us permission to record, so we good. Try to get a few more footage for y'all, man. They hate on us. I'm gonna show y'all who hated on us. I'm gonna drop a picture in the video to let y'all know who hated on us, so y'all don't buy from Brothers LA Owens if you in the Louisiana area. Oh God.
What's 11? 11?
We got T on duty.
11 shot. Got 11?
Watch duty.
11 shotgun?
No, got the 11 shotgun?
No, you gotta have a license.
A few more things, of course. Like I said, it was hating. Man, check this out, bro. So they hated on us at the gun range. Try to say we couldn't record in the gun range. Like, what? Since when are you not allowed to record in the gun range? Like, so boom, this the story. I'ma tag the people who went rat and said I was recording, because I had been recording since we got in there. So the footage is gonna be a little short. I try to finish recording with my phone, had T on the lookout, my partner was on the lookout, so I was trying to record, but they just kept watching us. They had the police watching us. I'm like, come on, dog, like, what? All we doing is recording. He didn't want me to record his overpriced guns. He probably had the only overpriced guns at the range, like everything dropping except his guns. Like, so there was this one dude. I'm gonna tag I'm gonna put the picture in the video, who it was. So I'm not buying none. And I had considered buying guns from them in the past, because they be at every gun show I go to. I guess they local or whatever, but they be at every gun show I go to. So he was just on some. So this what happened. This how I know it was him. He looked at me. The way he looked at me, I knew he was just wanting to tell me something. Like, but I guess he didn't want to tell me nothing on his own, so he went and called the police. He left his boot. He came back. When he came back, the police came with him. The police was like, you can't do that here. And I'm like, do what? He like, record. And I'm like, why? And he didn't have no explanation, so he brought me to the guy who was hosting the gun show, and he was just like, yeah, you can't record. But mind you, when I walked in the gun range, that same police officer was sitting there checking people in, and he seen the camera, because I have the camera on a tripod. He seen the legs of the tripod. He was like, that's drumsticks in your pocket? And I'm like, no, that's for my camera. Nothing was said. He didn't say nothing. He was like, oh, all right, cool, like that. So I'm like, have you been seeing that? Like, why you ain't tell me I couldn't record before I first walked in? So on some phony, fake, you know, I got a little footage for y'all, but next gun show is in a few months. I ain't gonna even bring the camera in there. I'm gonna just record on my phone. And if they ask me about it, I'm on FaceTime. Get out my face. Peace!